In this video, we are going to see how we can add the screen recording icon in the control panel on an iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. All we have to do is just swipe from the right hand corner where you see this battery icon. Just swipe from there, and there you will see all of the system controls and icon. If you see a couple of icons like flashlight, like barcode reader and other options, but not the screen recording option, here's what you need to do. Just hold on to any white space that you see. After that, that means the empty space down here, you hold on to that and you get the option of adding a control. So we click on add control, and from here you can add whatever control you want. You can customize your iPhone to however you want, but let's say that for some reason you don't find it. So what you can do is you can search for the controls here. You will write here recording, and once you see the screen recording option, you just enable it, and there you go. You have this icon right here. Now whenever we want to move it or remove it, you can move it wherever we want and click on the minus sign to remove it. And that is how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.